Are you an Android user and a Mac owner who is searching ways to connect both devices? Then you are in the right place. As you know, Android and Mac didn't get along each other. Let's bridge the gap between them in a simple way. There are so many apps in the Mac App Store to do the job, but there is one particular app that does the job very seamlessly. That is HandShaker. As the name suggests, it makes a perfect handshake between both devices. Without wasting any time, let's get the thing done. Head to the Mac App Store. Search for HandShaker. Install it. Now head to your smartphone, download and install HandShaker app from the App Store and go through the process. Before pairing, make sure that the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then pair it. If everything goes right, your device will pop up in the Mac. Then you just need to press the connect button on the device icon. That's it. You have connected your device. Just drag and drop files to and from the device. That's simple. For the fast data transfer, I recommend using USB cable. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.